You guys, excuse the voice, I'm just kind of getting over a cold, but I wanted to share with you guys my favorite beauty products that I have been using. I love skincare and I love sharing that with you guys. Daily. I know I might be, pronouncing it wrong, but this is their beauty elixir. I discovered this probably 5 years ago in a smaller bottle, and it's just, I love the smell. It has a little bit of oil in it, and I just use this all over my face when I'm done with my makeup. It's from Good Molecules, and you may have seen this all over TikTok, but this is their discoloration correcting treatment. It actually works. So from Good Molecules, and this is their retinol cream. I might have this upside down, sorry, but I'm really liking this. It's lightweight, it's gentle like it says. I don't feel any burning, stinging, and again, anything that can help to smooth fine lines and wrinkles, I'm all about it. I really love this one. Is from Tula Skincare, and it is their SPF. Sorry, it's a little bit dirty, but this is their Protect and Glow, and it does exactly what it says. I put it on every morning before I go out. It gives a really nice moisturized feeling to my skin, and it protects it as well. Glow, almost like golden like specks in there, but nothing over the top. The Ordinary, this is one of my favorite. This is their toning solution, and I love this so much. As you can see, it's almost done. I use this every single night. Kind of try a trial size of something. So if you don't want to spend, full price for something, you're not sure if you're going to love it, always go for the trial size. It's always next to the registers. This one is from Estee Lauder, their Advanced Night Repair. So I just wanted to see how this worked, how it felt on my skin, and just to kind of see if that was something that I was willing to invest in, and pay more for later down the road. So I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you guys next time.